Hey guys, it is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas. Taking off for a little, probably an hour or two. Not gonna be gone too long. Just gonna meet up with a good friend of mine, Alan Ward from the dealer, and I'm taking out the little lady, the Dyna, the 03 Dyna Wide Glide, and I believe he's gonna be taking out his Softail Deluxe. It's an absolutely beautiful motorcycle. So you'll catch a glimpse of that here in a few minutes. But beautiful day here in Virginia. It's about 67 here on Christmas Eve. This is an odd, warm day. So what do you do when you're a biker? Well, you find a reason to ride. You don't need any better reason than this right here. We're done for a little bit for Christmas Eve till later. So today we ride. So. All right, well, here we are again, Christmas Eve evening. Me and my buddy Alan have been out riding. We did a little, probably about maybe 60, 70 miles, little after work ride just for fun. It's getting chilly out here. Temperature has dropped rapidly as we were coming through some of the 2-lane roads on the way back. We get back down here into Roanoke though, and temperatures are pretty daggone nice. It's pretty comfortable again. So Christmas Day tomorrow should be pretty. Maybe you'll have to take the old little lady over here out just a bit. We'll see what happens. But we are on the way home, and I'm heading to the house. Do some Christmassy stuff with my wife and her family. My kids came over this morning to the house and we had Christmas there. That was great. Had a great time. And so now we're gonna do part 1, or I guess it's part 2 today of Christmas, and then we got 2 parts tomorrow. So you guys be safe. Have a great Christmas. We'll see you on the other side.